Welcome back to our channel. In life, surely everyone at times feels stuck and unsure of what to do to change their current situation. So how can we tackle these difficulties and improve ourselves in just 90 days? Today, we'll take you from feeling powerless to taking control of your life through principles and lessons inspired by Stoicism, brought to you by genuine wisdom. Today's video is not just a regular lecture. It is a practical roadmap, providing you with the tools and strategies needed to make significant changes in your life. We believe that through this video, you will discover the hidden strengths within yourself and turn challenges into opportunities for growth. Stick with us and stay persistent to the end of the video, because at the end, we will help you draft a specific action plan so you can start immediately. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, share, and like this video to support our channel. Your patience and determination not only help you succeed, but also inspire us to continue bringing valuable content. If you're ready, let's start the journey to transform your life through the lens of Stoicism right now. Number 1. Future Authoring Program. The Future Authoring Program is not just an ordinary educational initiative. It embodies modern Stoicism, applied in building a solid foundation for university students. The essence of this program lies in encouraging individuals to meticulously and proactively plan and orient their futures, a core principle in Stoicism. In just 90 minutes, students are guided to deeply reflect on their educational and life goals, thereby creating a detailed plan. This is not only about setting goals, but also about confronting and resolving potential difficulties they may encounter. The program has proven its effectiveness with a 50% reduction in dropout rates in the first year, especially among high-risk student groups. This reflects that with thorough preparation and a readiness to face challenges, every individual has the ability to overcome any obstacles. Beyond just minimizing the risk of dropping out, the program also helps students develop self-awareness. Through this, they gain a better understanding of their strengths and weaknesses, desires and fears, which is also an important part of Stoic theory. High self-awareness enables them to effectively shape and adjust their goals, while developing the necessary skills to face and resolve future issues. The Future Authoring Program also focuses on building independence and confidence. Step by step, students are encouraged to make decisions based on their own standpoints and personal values, essential for forming a strong and independent character. This confidence not only propels them in their academic endeavors, but also in their careers and personal relationships later on. Furthermore, the long-term support provided by the program is a testament to a commitment to comprehensive and sustainable development. Support is not only provided in the freshman year, but continues to encourage and assist students throughout their educational and personal development journey. The Future Authoring Program is more than just a learning tool. It is a transformative process that helps each individual not only achieve short-term goals, but also lay the foundation for a successful and fulfilling future. By equipping students with the tools to explore and develop themselves, the program acts as a trusted guide in their challenging yet promising journey. Number 2. The importance of having a plan. In the relentless race of modern life, identifying and pursuing a detailed plan is essential, not only for students entering their careers, but for anyone wanting to achieve sustainable success. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of having a clear purpose, which then shapes every action and decision. Without a plan, both students and adults risk becoming disoriented, wasting time and energy on things that do not bring real value. In the spirit of Stoicism, Every task, big or small, needs to be meticulously planned and executed with persistence. This is not just about mechanically pursuing goals, but about embracing each challenge as an opportunity to demonstrate resilience, patience, and maturity. University, with all its demands for self-discipline and time management, is an ideal testing ground for these virtues. Rising early, attending classes on time, and completing assignments punctually not only trains discipline, but also builds self-reliance and perseverance. Besides establishing and following a plan, maintaining motivation is also crucial. In Stoic philosophy, motivation does not only come from achieving success, but also from a deep understanding of the purpose and value of the work being done. Each day, taking time to reflect on the larger goals and how today's efforts contribute to long-term success will help you progress not only in your studies, but also in your career and life. Furthermore, in the journey of personal and academic development, support from others is invaluable. No one can succeed on their own without the help of others. Seeking advice from teachers, participating in study groups, and sharing experiences with friends are not only signs of humility, but also of wisdom. Finally, remember that every step in your educational and personal development journey is an opportunity to build a solid foundation for the future. A combination of detailed planning, persistence in action, and self-management skills are key not only to academic success, but also to preparing for life's challenges. Pursue your goals with unwavering determination, and you will develop not just as an outstanding student, but as a well-rounded individual. Number 3, building vision and motivation with future authoring. Imagine standing at the peak of the next 5 years, looking back at the path you have chosen, and seeing that everything you've dreamed of has now become a reality. This is the vision that the Future Authoring Program aims to achieve. Not just outlining a dream path, but becoming the master of your own life, a journey deeply rooted in Stoicism. As you embark on this journey, you will be challenged to deeply reflect on your life over the next 5 years. Imagine having achieved everything you desire, a loving and supportive relationship, and a job that not only brings financial success, but also makes you proud and fulfilled each day. As Seneca, one of the great Stoic philosophers, once said, "It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more, that is poor." Apply this philosophy to build a life that is not only materially sufficient, but also rich in spirit. As you write about this ideal life, treat each detail as a specific step on the path you have chosen. Each goal is not just a distant dream, but a milestone to be conquered through persistence and relentless effort. This program is not only about identifying your desires, but also about achieving them by becoming the best version of yourself. For example, if your goal is to have a successful career, consider the journey of Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor, who used wisdom and composure to achieve exceptional success. He wrote in Meditations that patience and calm in all situations are the keys to overcoming difficulties. Use the Future Authoring Program as a means to transform every challenge into an opportunity and every doubt into belief. With each step on this Stoic path, you're not only building a vision and motivation for the future, but also laying a solid foundation for a successful and fulfilling life, true to the philosophy of Stoicism. Number 4, exploring and facing challenges. In this journey of life, nothing comes easily. Every day, every hour, we face challenges and storms that seem capable of sweeping away all our efforts and beliefs. But remember, this is the moment to demonstrate your resilience and inner strength in the spirit of Stoicism. This isn't just about motivational words. It's a call to face and overcome. Start by clearly identifying the challenges you might encounter. Whether it's difficulties at work, in relationships, or personal psychological battles, you need to bring them into the light. Only when you understand what you are facing can you effectively find ways to resolve them. Next, consider and accept your weaknesses. Acceptance doesn't mean surrender. It means you are preparing for a long fight. When you know your weak points, you can focus on strengthening and developing them. Don't let temptations or self-doubt hold you back. Finally, focus on overcoming. Each challenge you conquer is not just a victory, but a step in strengthening your will and personal power. Whenever you feel tired, look back at the path you've traveled and the challenges you've overcome. These are undeniable proofs of your mental strength. Let each challenge become a solid stepping stone for your personal development. You are not just overcoming them, you are building a stronger version of yourself. This is the journey of maturity, resilience, and above all, honesty with oneself. Keep moving forward, not just for yourself, but for the people you love and the values you uphold. Life is not a series of straight paths, but a journey filled with challenges and opportunities to prove yourself. Number 5, positive outcomes and how to maintain motivation. When we integrate the principles of Stoicism into our daily lives, we discover that even the smallest actions can have a tremendous impact. This has been demonstrated through personal development programs for youth, where dropout rates have been cut by up to 50%. These aren't just statistics. They are vivid proofs of a powerful shift in their mindset and behavior. Facing significant challenges such as depression, simple steps like getting up every morning can become important victories. Stoicism reminds us that no step is too small. Every decision, every action, no matter how minor, is a step towards a greater goal. To maintain motivation, we need to start with small tasks, one step at a time, and gradually expand our scope of action in a steady but sure manner. Stoic philosophers encourage us to focus on long-term goals, but also not to overlook the value of daily efforts. Patience and perseverance not only help us overcome challenges, but also develop resilience and personal strength. It is crucial to realize that in the battle against personal challenges, it is not the giant leaps, but rather the daily persistence that is the key to victory. Furthermore, Stoics emphasize the importance of accepting and learning from failures. They believe that each failure is an opportunity to reshape oneself and strengthen endurance. This not only helps individuals maintain motivation, but also encourages long-term personal growth. These tips are not just for those experiencing tough times, but also for anyone looking to improve their quality of life and achieve genuine accomplishments. Stoicism teaches us that every day is an opportunity to reinvent ourselves and move closer to becoming the best version of ourselves. Number 6, role models and personal development. In the theory and practice of Stoicism, following role models is not just an important step in the journey of self-development, but also a fundamental method to achieve inner peace and spiritual freedom. The individuals we choose as role models reflect the values we hold dear and the qualities we aspire to. They are not only sources of inspiration, but also living proof of the ability to make positive changes in life and personal growth. Each role model, with their experiences and lessons, becomes an invaluable resource, helping us avoid mistakes and shorten our learning process. They show us how to overcome challenges and achieve success in similar areas. Role models often embody the values and principles of life that we respect. Following them not only helps us clarify what we believe in, but also aids in developing essential virtues such as patience, honesty, and resilience. Looking at the journeys of our role models, we see that their paths were not always rosy. Their perseverance and relentless effort in all circumstances inspire us not to give up on our goals, regardless of difficulties. Applying lessons and virtues from role models helps us not only improve ourselves, but also establish a clear personal roadmap, shaping a lifestyle and approach to life that is purposeful and effective. Connecting with role models and like-minded individuals not only broaden our perspectives, but also facilitates collaboration and mutual support in various situations. Start by choosing someone you admire, not just for their achievements, but also for how they face and overcome challenges. Learn from them, not just what they do, but how they think and feel. Apply those lessons to your daily life, and you will gradually discover the true value of following a role model, not just to mimic them, but to create the best version of yourself, a version that is strong, calm, and full of character. Finally, remember that following role models is not a competition, but a process of self-development. Each small step is part of a grand journey towards freedom and inner peace. Be persistent, patient, and always aim to inspire others. Your life will not only become more meaningful, but also serve as a bright example for those around you. As we conclude today's lesson, we've explored the essential steps to transform our lives following the disciplined lifestyle and guidance of Jordan Peterson. Remember, each day you maintain persistence and discipline brings you one step closer to your ultimate goals. Set specific goals, and more importantly, execute them consistently and meticulously. Remember that balance is key. Taking care of yourself, nurturing healthy relationships, and allowing yourself time to relax all play vital roles in your journey. Face challenges with resilience and view each difficulty as an opportunity to grow. Never underestimate the power of persistence. Every challenge you face is an opportunity for learning and personal growth. Stay persistent, resilient, and remember that significant changes always start with small steps. If you feel the call for change from today's lesson, leave a comment below saying, "I am ready to change." Like and subscribe to continue receiving profound and practical lessons that help you get closer to the best version of yourself. And don't miss the recommended videos following this one to keep expanding your knowledge and improving yourself. Thank you for your time today. Remember, every day is a new opportunity to continue writing your own story. Stay persistent, stay disciplined, and keep reaching further.